Rumi was born in 1207 in Balkh, which is now Afghanistan. He wrote in Farsi, and he traveled and saw the most troubled part of the world. He moved across 10 countries and finally he settled in Konya. The importance of Rumi is that he cuts across religion, region and race. And that he could manage to do because of his openness, because of his travels, because of meeting saints and sages during his journey with his father Sultan Walid. Rumi also is relevant today because he inspires art, music, poetry and painting, and above all, the sacred dance. The dance takes a new form in Rumi's world of receiving from above and giving to the world below, which is an attribute of the God Almighty. Rumi also is extremely relevant because he transcends all kinds of mental conditioning. Today, the whole world is full of people who are conditioned mentally to thinking in a particular way. So he breaks through that mental conditioning and reaches out to people who are spread all across the universe of different shades and colors. Rumi also is growingly relevant because he is appealing to the modern thinking mind. He's rising above everything and appealing to the modern thinking mind. Now that makes a world of difference in a world like this, that the child and the sage can come together, cutting across generations of barriers that age creates, and think of a world without boundaries and borders, about oneness of the human race. And this is an actuality, it's a reality which is pervading the whole universe. Rumi is being translated into every single language, and he's appealing to every single person across the globe. He doesn't require any promotion or publicity. He is appealing to that space in the mind and the heart that is seeking, that is searching, that is trying to find its own identity. And finally, the most interesting part of Rumi's message, of Rumi's existence, is understanding the inspiration behind Islam, the unity behind the concept of Islam, peace behind the concept of Islam, acceptability of all faiths behind the preachings of the Prophet. In fact, when Shams met Rumi, he asked him, this is in 1244, that who is greater, Bayezid Bastami or the Holy Prophet? So Rumi said, what a question to ask, it's the Holy Prophet. And the answer he gave was that Bastami, with one sip of divinity, felt that he had arrived, he had reached his goal, his divine position in the universe. But the Prophet said that, I wish I had known Allah the way he should be known, explore his different dimensions. And he kept on searching for that divine presence in everything he saw. And that revealed a kind of a searching quality in Islam, a quality which accepts things as they are, and in those things he sees beauty and sees the beautiful. Inna Allaha jamilun wa yuhibbul jamal. Verily God is beautiful and loves beauty. So beauty is the reflection of the beautiful, which you find in Rumi's verse. And that reflection of the beautiful comes from understanding what is the beautiful. And this is what Rumi brings home through his verse. And each verse is beautiful to hear, it is beautiful to understand, it is beautiful to live with. So this is the relevance and the power of Rumi, which is going to grow and grow and grow with each person's imagination, with each person's quest and search.